into that big thingy, I reckon. We are entering Josephine Falls. What I know about the falls is that I don't know anything. That's why we're here. Yes. I bet she just wants to run away and just forget about me. Yeah.
Remember roads like this? Anong kuan lang, dirt road lang. Parang may Japon.
Out there, and we're going up for some viewing deck. And swimming holes is there. Yep, awesome light. The waterfalls is good.
Really good.
Yeah, the waters are tinaw. You know what tinaw are? You can Google it, or you can hit subscribe. No, just kidding. Tinaw means
Where?
tinaw. Don't give it away.
Give away.
It's clear that it's cold, but it's good. Okay, on to the next destination. By the way, I slipped on the rock. My shoes are wet. Ew. Yeah.